Looking for a travel trailer that's lightweight, laminated, and able to keep your campground-loving family camp happy? I want you to look into Forest River. They're the leader in RVs, and specifically, check out the Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite. This line has a ton going for it, from a great array of floor plans to some spectacular features designed to please even the most experienced RVer. Now, before I highlight a few floor plans, let's check out the great Rockwood Mini Lite features. Looking inside a Rockwood Mini Lite, you'll first notice the sleekness of the interior. You have an option for Newport ash or autumn wood for the cabinetry. And speaking of the cabinets, you'll get screwed and glued solid wood cabinet doors, as well as drawers with hidden hinges, metal drawer guides, and residential style hardware. It's really good stuff. Now, staying in the kitchen, you'll find a deluxe 3-burner high output gas range with flush mount glass top cover, undermount double bowl sink with residential style faucet, a microwave, 12-volt fridge with a gas electric option, and solid surface beautiful countertops. The Rockwood Mini Lite is not about to leave you sweating the small stuff or sweating at all really, because every model comes with a 13,500 BTU ducted AC and the option for 15,000 BTU AC. Control the temp inside your Mini Lite with ease, right? Fact is, you can control everything with ease in the Mini Lite with the monitor panel switch station with the One Control app. Makes it easy peasy. Entertainment abounds with the multi-zone stereo with DVD, CD, AM/FM, and Bluetooth control. Plus includes a living area LED TV with an optional bedroom LED TV. Nice, right? Relax and watch TV from the theater seats or large U-dinette, depending on the model. And some Mini Lites have an electric fireplace to make it even cozier. You'll also get an option to drop in a tri-fold sleeper sofa in place of the theater seats. Now let's head outside, shall we? You'll get to the unique paint options for the Rockwood Mini Lite's sleek laminated exterior. You either get a crisp white or a champagne tan. And that molded fiberglass front cap with an automotive windshield is fire. Let's check out how the entertainment rolls outside as well. You'll get reception with a Teton all-in-one Wi-Fi booster LTE prep and antenna. Plus, there's cable and satellite hookups as well as outside speakers. You can relax outside under the expansive awning with its adjustable rain dump. Save your battery's power in multiple ways. First, you get a battery disconnect switch. Those are so nice to have. Second, every Rockwood Mini Lite has a 190-watt roof solar panel with a 1,000-watt inverter. That'll give you power and save some as well. More power comes to help you get quick to camp or set up to tow via the power tongue jack. Stabilization is easy. You got 4 stabilizer jacks with a power option. What other great features can you find on a Rockwood Mini Lite? The convenience of an outside shower with hot and cold water cannot be stressed enough. Same goes with the black tank flush. All the tires, they are nitrogen filled, and you get a spare tire with cover and carrier. In the rear, you have a backup camera prep right next to the rear ladder. When you're looking for a versatile travel trailer that's ready for some serious camping, lightweight, solid construction is absolutely key. With the Mini Lite, you'll get 6-sided aluminum cage construction and aluminum cage dinette bases and beds. The walls and roof are vacuum laminated to help prevent water damage and include Azdel composite panels. More prevention comes with the enclosed underbelly to keep all those little critters at bay. To give you a well-rounded look at the Rockwood Mini Lite floor plans, we're going to highlight a handful of them. Let it be known though, as far as unloaded weight and length, they are all pretty similar. Most are going to be about 26 feet in length and weigh around 5,500 pounds. The 2104S saves space up front by utilizing the very versatile Murphy bed. A large U-dinette is in a slide out, and there's a very impressive bathroom in the rear corner. The 2104S can sleep up to 4. The 2506S is a rare breed, the front kitchen. You'll find a ton of counter space and a large U-dinette inside of a slide-out. There's an entertainment center with a fireplace, a private bedroom, and the 2506S has an outside kitchen. The 2506S can sleep up to 4. The 2509S has enough sleeping space to have 8 snoozers. How? Well, it's a bunkhouse. You'll find stacked double bunks, a massive U-dinette and a slide-out, and the convenient Murphy bed up front. You'll also get that outside kitchen. The 2511S is a true rear bath floor plan with the back wall all bathroom. A large slide-out sports a pair of theater seats that sit across from the entertainment center with a fireplace. Up front, the bedroom is private and impressive as it has a wardrobe slide and a spot for a TV. As you can clearly see, the Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite series of laminated travel trailers has a lot going for it. To look further into the line, check them out at rv.campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.